Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir and dear friends. Introduce myself. My name is Sekar Anissa from IPB2 class. Here I will present material about the pre-employment card. Just go ahead. Let's register yourself on the pre-employment card. First, I will explanation about the definition of the prakerja card itself. The Prakerja Card is a program from the government for job seekers to workers affected by COVID-19. For those of you who want to register for a Prakerja Card, you can access in www.prakerja.go.id page. The pre-employment card program is open to Indonesian citizens 18 years and over who are not currently attending formal education. The pre-employment card is one of the government programs to support the growth and development of the Indonesian economy. However, the crisis and pandemic of the COVID-19 or corona, which paralyzed many social and economic activity, which were even more severely affected. President Joko Widodo to finally take action and initiative. The president decided to accelerate the realization of the national reward card distribution and procurement program early than originally planned. The acceleration of the card procurement is carried out to overcome the many cases of layoff that have occurred everywhere due to corona pandemic that has plagued many parts of Indonesia. Next, about the purpose of the card, namely. According to data from the Ministry of Finance, the card is proof of community presence for all Indonesians, including the workforce who have difficulty finding job. Through the pre-employment card program, they have the opportunity to add skill according to the file that is being needed. Apart from there are goals such as number one, this program is prepared to eliminate the gap between the competence of human resource or HR and the needs of the world of work. The allocation will be prepared in the social assistance budget post to organize digital and regular training in the pre-employment card program. Number two, this pre-employment card is used for catch-up purpose and as a social safety net. This program is expected to be answered to the problem of unemployment in Indonesia. Number three, as a catch-up in the sense when someone with a high school graduate want to a job and feel they are not qualified for the job without experience, they can take the pre-employment training. So they graduate from high school plus 13 courses. Number four, regarding social spending, it is the government responsibility to provide social protection to people who cannot follow development upgrade at the same speed as, for example, the poor. Number five, the form of social protection can be the form of health protection such as BPJS insurance, which is partly contributed by government. The pre-employment card also includes social protection, where the initial mindsets to catch up and social safety net. Number 6, the pre-employment card is not for the new new workfare no workforce, but can also be used for the workforce who feel they lack expertise or want acquire new skill to provide to improve their competence. By issuing the 2020 Prakerja Card early this April, given the impact of the large corona pandemic on the Indonesian economy. The government hopes that this card will provide benefit and solutions such as first, help reduce training costs borne by the workers and company. Secondly, able to reduce costs and finding information about training. Third, encourage one word through reducing mismatch. Number 4, make a complement of formal education. Next, with the issuance of a pre-employment card, there remains criticisms and input from the public regarding the facility provided by the government. People who want to register for a pre-employment card program must be meet the requirement, the standard are not onerous. So people can register at any time and so on as they are adult. To register the pre-employment card program, you must meet the following requirement. Before we register, we must confirm whether or not we already have a pre-employment card account. If you already have an account, simply log in using with your registered email address and password at https or www.prakerja.go.id page. Otherwise, we must follow the instruction outlined below. First, go to page prakerja.go.id and create a pre-employment account. Secondly, registered will be required to provide their email address and create a password of at least 6 character, which they must then confirm. Third, look the overstatement below and click create account. Four, open the email and validate the account by clicking the link supplied through email. After the registrant receives an account verification notification via the registered email. Number 5, the pre-employment account is now functioning. Well, my friends, this is a presentation from me about the pre-employment card, which is a government program for people in Indonesia. Hopefully, this is useful, and I, Sekar Anissa, apologies if during the presentation there were mistakes in my words and words they're not pleasant. So much from me. That's all for now. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.